Difference between a single plate and a multi-plate clutch. Location. A clutch is a mechanism that transmits power from the engine to the wheels of a vehicle. It's located between the engine and gearbox. The main difference between a single-plate clutch and a multi-plate clutch is the number of friction plates used. Single-plate clutch has one friction plate. Multi-plate clutch has two or more friction plates. Single-plate clutch. Multi-plate clutch consists of a single clutch plate. Consists of multiple clutch plates, typically 2, 3, or more. Has only one friction surface, multiple friction surfaces due to the presence of multiple plates. Commonly used in light to medium-duty vehicles. Preferred for heavy-duty vehicles and racing applications.